If the float on your automatic pool cover pump becomes stuck, it's likely due to debris preventing it from moving freely, something essential for proper operation. Fortunately, checking and cleaning the float compartment is simple and can quickly restore normal function. Follow these 4 steps to clean the float. Clean as needed by removing any leaves, pine needles, or other debris that may be blocking the float's movement. Remove the float access cover by turning it towards the open arrow, as indicated on the cover. To check the float's movement, gently lift it from the bottom and ensure it returns to its original position freely. Reinstall the access cover. Twist the cover in the direction of the close arrow until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely locked. For more information, reference the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.